Hi y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I am decluttering a bunch of toys in my house, doing some light redecorating and cleaning out my closet. I hope you enjoyed today's speed cleaning motivation. My daughter is out of the house for a few hours with her grandma, going to visit her cousins and going out to brunch. So I have kind of a limited amount of time to get as many of her toys cleaned out as possible. If you've ever tried to clean out toys around a toddler, you know that it is not really that easy. She does not like me getting rid of anything, but she always plays so much better after I've cleaned out her toys because she's actually more engaged. She remembers things that she forgot that she had, and she can stay focused on one toy at a time and play more independently rather than jumping around all over the place. So it ends up actually saving me a ton of time by doing this because she can be more independent and play. I found this toy box at Target. It's the Playfort brand, I think that's what it's called, but it was only $25, which I thought was such a deal because it's so sturdy and it perfectly matches all the colors in her room, so it's so nice to just have something to throw. Normally I have like these wicker baskets, but I really wanted something with a lid on it so I could truly hide things away and have it out of sight, out of mind. Plus, when you have the top on it, since it is so sturdy, it kind of acts like a table, so it'll be another surface for her to play on in her room.
Chasing you on and on, but I don't care, I will let you in. You said goodbye like everything's gone, everything that we could have been. But I know you are my liability. Yeah, I know you are my liability. Oh, what a hopeless case we could be. Yeah. Oh, what a hopeless place that we're in. But I'm your liability. I know you are my liability. Yeah, I know you are my liability. Oh, what a hopeless case we could be. Yeah. Oh, what a hopeless place that we're in. But I'm your liability.
If you're new to my channel, I just wanted to say welcome. My name is Bex Link. I am a mom of two little girls, Annie and Larson being the little one right here next to me, and Annie is 2.5. Larson is 12 weeks old as of the time that I am filming this video. She is getting so big so fast. I feel like second kid just flies by so much faster than the first one. I am a work from home mom. I am a freelancer in the marketing field, and I stay home with my kids full time while I work. I only work a few days a week, and otherwise I am just 100% there for them. And I make cleaning and lifestyle videos here on YouTube. I make new cleaning videos every Tuesday, but over the summer I'm really trying to do as many bonus videos as possible for me because I'm trying to be a little bit more minimalist and clean out my house a little bit more, and for you guys because I know that if you're anything like me, you get really motivated by these cleaning videos.
Can't find a time where I can tell ya what I feel now. Been biting my tongue for a while. The words just wanna come out. I'm too afraid to be rejected. It's so expected. I feel like I'm out of my mind, but I know I can't deny you. I am so alienated.
I was able to come up with a huge pile of stuff, not just to donate, but to circulate. I like to take some of her toys and put them in like a toy rotation where I put them in the attic for a little while, and then when I take them out, they're brand new. But this is everything that I decluttered in that short amount of time, from the living room and her bedroom. Some of that is going to the dump, some of that is being donated, some of it put in toy rotation. But I also picked up these sheets and new duvet cover yesterday from Target, so they just came out of the wash, and I'm ready to put them on in my room. I had the Casa Luna duvet cover. It's so nice. It's so heavy, but right now it's just so hot. It's way too hot for the summertime. So I'm going to take that off, wash it, put it in our linen closet, and replace everything with the new stuff. You might notice around here things are kind of changing in the style of videos that I'm making. For a while, I was just being like really extra and all about decorating and constantly getting new things, but to be honest, I felt like I was doing that for other people, and I was sometimes getting things that I didn't even really like that much. I just felt like those were the types of videos that I should be making, and it wasn't sustainable. It wasn't making me happy, and I don't think that it fulfills the purpose that I set out to fulfill when I made these videos. I just want to make realistic cleaning motivation that is motivating for you guys and inspiring and feels good to make for me.
But there is nothing I can do now. When I'm with you, I lose myself. I feel good. Oh, yeah, I don't know why. It's like a charge around us that just feels right. Can't get my head around it. I can never hit the brakes. Every time you touch me, babe, you send me right out into space.
In the time that it took to make this video, I purged 2 bags of clothes. I was just really pleased with the way that turned out. Really happy to be getting rid of some things because all that clutter takes up so much space in my mind. So I'm glad I was able to make some cleaning, decluttering, and organizing motivation for you guys. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. I make new cleaning videos every Tuesday, and I'm trying to put out bonus videos all summer long. I will see you guys next time.
Mess with my head, just pick me up, let me down like you don't care. This is home.